What's up everybody, Brandon DIYB Sim Racing here. Today's video I'm talking about how much work I need in Assetto Corsa. After watching the last video, establishing that I need a lot of work if I want to compete with some of the other sim racers out in the world. So to do this, I hopped in the Toyota GT86 and on a course that I am very familiar with, Laguna Seca. So let's see what happens. Lap completed, and I will be hopping in some other cars that I feel like I might be able to manage my way around in a track in real life and see how that translates in game. For some other updates, I have a couple of upgrades coming for the Logitech G920 steering wheel, pedals, and H pattern shifter, hopefully giving it a little bit more of a professional feel. And I will also be keeping my eye on the release of Forza Horizon 5, which is just around the corner. So if you like what you saw, like, subscribe, all that other jazz. See you on the next one.